Are you needing a protective style for your natural hair? Well, your girl Ty the Natural got you. So, tap in. What's up, my natural tribe? So, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. You know how I like to start. And I'm gonna shave off these little thin edges here, y'all. We'll have to get into the story why they are as thin as they are, but we'll have to get into that another time. So I'm taking the Echo Styling Gel. Then I'm taking the Sweet Almond Oil and I am applying that to this section. And I'm just working that in really good. And I'm just taking my medium hard bristle brush to like help smooth it. I didn't really brush my hair hard at all. And now I'm just doing up these baby hairs so they're nice and sleek. And then we are going to turn this into a Bantu knot. And this is my first time ever trying Bantu knots. And I must say they came out pretty good. So the key to a Bantu knot is twisting the hair really, really tight so that when you twirl it around, it's a nice tight little ball. And then you can get all the hair underneath while you overlap and overlap. Your hair should be going underneath the Bantu knot. Okay, and now I'm just going to do the same thing, but on the other side. So I'm gonna have basically twins. So I'm gonna have one side, well, I'm not one. I'm gonna have both sides looking the same, exact same. And then the front, y'all, I went through a time trying to figure out what I was gonna do with the top. So I first tried to do some flat twists, and y'all, they just was not looking right for your girl. So I had to take them boys out, and I landed on more Bantu knots. So after I finished them, I thought they were dope. So let's see what y'all think. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy this little section of the video. And once I have completed the front, then I will slide back in so we can move on to the next step. Okay, so I'm gonna just slap this little silk scarf on for about 5 minutes. I just wanted my baby hairs technically to lay down. And so they're looking pretty good. So now on to the middle part, and I'll be back as soon as we finish. Alrighty, so now I have completely finished all the Bantu knots, y'all. They're looking pretty good. And now we're moving on to the back. And we are going to flexi rod the rest of this hair, y'all. So just like old times, we're going to use the same methods. I'm taking the Mielle pomegranate and honey mixture and just applying that to the section. After you first spritz, add your oil, then you add your foam. And then you want to make sure you're going in a nice wrapping movement so that your hair doesn't twirl, because that will affect the curl pattern and it won't be a nice spiral curl. It's going to be more of like a coil instead of a curl. And that's just not the look that I'm going for this particular moment. So I'm just making sure that I wrap my hair really good. And I did oil my rubber bands just in case I did not advise that before, because I know I did not say that, but I did show it. But I just want to let you know that those were saturated in oil before I applied them to my hair, which is very important. So make sure that you do not miss that step, because we can't have that hair breaking off, y'all. All right, family. So I am going to let you guys enjoy this particular part of the movie. Part of the video. And then I will slide back in once I have completely flexi ride the whole back. So I'm gonna let my hair dry for 24 hours and then we will be back to see what our results look like. So it's been 24 hours and we are now about to take our hair down. So let's go. It's not too bad. That one got wet in the shower, y'all. I was trying my best. And this time I did sit under the dryer for 45 minutes at first, and then I let my hair air dry the rest, and then I sat under the dryer again this morning after I got out the shower. So now let's separate our hair. Let's see which way we need to coil the hair. Looks like that way. Alrighty, I am completely done separating my hair. Just want to do a little shake, shake, shake. And now we are going to decorate the front. All right, my natural tribe, my hair is completely finished, and that is what our finished look is looking like. Be sure to let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this style. And be sure to smash that thumbs up button if you did enjoy this content. It really helps out the channel. And again, I appreciate each and every one of you watching the video. Thank you so much for your support. And until next week, your girl will see you then. Bye now.